I was able to see downtown Seoul. The 63 building has 60 stories above and 3 below ground. Photo exhibitions are burning. Let's go somewhere else.
Photo
First,
exhibition are boring. boring이잖아.
ah,
지루해. boring. 어?
boring.
burning은 불타고 있어?
Ah,
전시관이?
아니요.
boring이지. 오케이, 다음.
First, we toured the aquarium in the basement. Exotic tropical fish swam through coral. Lady divers performed in a mermaid show.
performed
Performed in a mermaid show. A diver swam with her hand on the back of a turtle. The show was indeed unforgettable. The divers waved at us. We took the glass elevator to the observation desk. My ears plugged up at the elevator shaft to the top. I felt a little vertigo when I looked out of the window. The observation desk is on the top floor. I was able to see downtown Seoul. I spotted a pleasure boat on the
pleasure.
Han River. I went into the IMAX movie theater and the movie Everest was playing. I felt as if I myself was climbing the mountain. We skipped lunch because we were short of money. I had fun riding on inner tube on the waves. We went to Naksam Beach on the east coast during our summer vacation. We set up a tent on the campground. The sea breeze was nice and cool. It was fun to walk barefoot on the fine sand. Waves broke on the shore and made white foam. My dad dug in the sand for clams. We put our beach umbrella and my mom took a nap. Oh, I had fun riding an inner tube on the waves. My brother enjoyed speedboating. Some boys burning themselves,
bearing.
bearing
그러니까
themselves,
bury가 묻다는 거야. bury.
like,
그러니까 bearing.
bearing themselves in the sand. I got sunburned. I didn't know that I had to replay sun cream every 3 hours.
reapply.
Reapply sun cream every 3 hours.
그러니까 3번 더 읽어.
I didn't know that I had to reapply sun cream every 3 hours. I did know that I had to reapply sun cream every 3 hours. I didn't know that I had to reapply sun cream every three
reapply.
hours. Reapply sun cream every 3 hours.
다시 세 번 더 읽어. 좀 빠른 속도로 읽어봐.
I didn't know that I had to reapply sun cream every 3 hours. I didn't know that I had to reapply sun cream every 3 hours. I didn't know that I had to reapply sun cream every 3 hours. I didn't know that I had to reapply sun cream every 3 hours. Some young women wearing bikinis were playing beach volleyball. Some people were lying on the sand to get a suntan. I picked up some pretty shirts. Little children were having fun building sandcastles. We had a beautiful starry night thanks to the clean air. I made a wish when I saw a shooting star. My sunburned, sunburned shoulders tingled at night. My mom applied ointment on my sunburn. Mosquitoes bit me from head to toe during the night. I was reluctant to leave the beach and head home. The 남산
reluctant,
the reluctant
reluctant.
reluctant
이거
I
무슨
was
뜻이야? reluctant 무슨 뜻이야?
내키지 않는
오케이, 다시 문장 세 번 다시 읽어봐. 빠른
I
속도로.
was I was reluctant to leave the the beach and head home. I was
다시
I was reluctant to I was reluctant to leave the beach and head home. I was reluctant to leave the beach and head home. I was reluctant to leave the beach and head home.
오케이.
The Namsan Library opens at 9 o'clock. Our final exams begin in 2 weeks. The Namsan Library opens at 9 o'clock. An employee handed out seat assignment tickets at the entrance. We went up to the living room on the fourth floor. I got to my seat and opened my bag. A boy was sleeping with his face on the table. I wrote a summary of what I had learned in history class in my notebook. I surfed the internet in the visual room.
audio visual room.
Audio visual room. I put on headphones and watched the movie Star Wars 4. I couldn't understand the movie very well because it didn't have Korean subtitles. Some boys wrote conversation interfere with my enjoyment of the movie. I ran into my classmate Hun. I took 2 cups of coffee from a coffee machine. I returned the novel Little Woman to the librarian. I had to pay a fine because the book was 2 days overdue. I I borrowed the book. I voyaged through concentrations. The maximum length produce is
Period.
1 week. Period is on 1 week. I left the library with a feeling of satisfaction.